Welcome back. Now, it's quite possible that we could be looking for individuals to connect with, specifically whose content that we want to follow. And to do that, we can go to our search, we can put in our keyword, and then we can start to filter this down by using the filters that LinkedIn gives us. We can look for first connections or second connections, but we can also look for people who are connected to others because in some cases, this will reveal our target market. Now, one of the things that you'll notice about the filters is that it doesn't give you their level of decision-making capability. And as a result, your searches are going to be broad and unproductive. The way to improve that search is going to be to use one of the premium levels. In particular, the sales level, which gives you access to the Sales Navigator. Now, we're going to look at this plan, which as of the recording of this video, is being advertised at $64.99. And you'll notice that the price that's being quoted is going to be an annual price. If you were to go to the actual monthly charge, then you'd see that it's going to be higher than what was advertised. Now, we're going to go ahead and sign up for the free trial for this level. Now, when you sign up for Sales Navigator, you'll need to place in some information. And you do want to use this process. So if you're selling by geography, you'll want to enter that geography here. If you don't sell by geography, you can click this and this will skip this step. You'll then want to determine which industries you want to target. Once you do that, you'll then click Continue. You'll then want to narrow down your scope and then you'll click Continue. Then you'll determine which individuals you want to target. You'll then determine the title of the individuals you want to interact with. LinkedIn will then give their AI, which will help you to determine who you might want to talk to. And you can start the process by saving specific accounts. You'll then get preferences that you can then begin to filter out. And what you'll notice is a much more targeted search, which you can begin to filter down into the exact individuals that you want to target, both in content as well as in connection. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.